Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to use Magic Pattern Maker. Okay, so first you choose a design, say we're going for the sweetheart corset, we click on it. Then you need to choose your or your client's height, we click next. Then we need to enter the measurement. You can do it in centimeters or in inches, whatever works for you. Say it's 41 inches. You can enter any measurement you like. We click next and that's it. You have the pattern ready. So you can just click on download it and you get the PDF file right away, or you can send it to your email address. And also I highly recommend you to use these quick guides on cutting and layout. So if that's your bust size, you just click on it and you get this PDF file. I highly recommend it. Okay guys, thanks for watching and enjoy!